Hello everyone, I'm your Soulmate Shabana and I'm your switch words master. In many of my videos, I have told you how to use switch words, like how to do this switch words ritual, how to make a EC, how to write it on your body, how to charge your water with switch word mantras and all, and how to write it in your notebook and how they are effective for you. Now, today, one more thing I'm introducing in front of you is switch words with candle burning. Now, just see, I have made the candle. You can see my candle, okay? And the work on it, I have done it myself. These are the flowers. These are real flowers. These are not plastic flowers. These are real flowers which I use while enchantment and while doing the ritual and all. And after doing this, I have written this switch word over here, charm. Charm means bringing praise, bringing beauty, bringing growth in your personality. So this candle is going to work on your personality, on your beauty, on your intelligence, on your smartness, on your elegance. Fine. And it is going to give you the confidence, the perfect confidence which you really need to move forward in your life. So we are going to I am making candles with switch words, with these enchantments and all. And of course I will be making them customized. I will be using your name. Like if anybody wants these candles, they can contact me. I will make these candles customized for them by making these candles on their own name, by framing the switch words phrases and writing it on the candle, so that it is going to work for you. Fine, I'll show you more. I have made one for money also. Now you can see this is the any seed. Everybody must be having this in your kitchen. Now this is the any seed candle and it is almost ready. But if anybody is having some debts or some blockages in financial flow, or not getting promotion, or some money blockages are there, then you can take this candle. And this I will be making for you, and I will be phrasing a switch word phrase for you, customized on your name, and then I will be just engraving it on this. And and enchanting also with the essential oils and all. And then I will give it to you. You have to burn it every day for some time. I will tell you how and when, and of course then you will see the miracles. Okay, I'll show you one more candle. It's kept in front of me, that's why I'm showing you. You can see this. This is also growth. Like you are having blockages in your office, you are not getting promotion. For long, for so many years you have been working and there is no promotion and no upliftment, and you are really getting bugged up. That time you have to take this, because these are the herbs. These are the herbs, real herbs. These are not plastic ones, again I would like to tell you. And then after that I will be customizing your switch word phrase. I will be engraving it over here with sigil magic also, with reiki symbols also, and essential oils also. Actually it is whenever you are doing a spell, I would like to explain you this. Whenever you are doing a spell, you make a sandwich of all the occult energies. Like I am doing this in this candle. Of course I'm using candle, then herbs are used in mojo bags also. Then reiki symbols. Of course I will attune this candle with the reiki symbol. Then sigil, I will be putting some symbols on it with the sigil. And then switch words and essential oils. So it is a package of all the energies. You collect all the energies and you just energize the candle, and then when you lit this candle, the energies work. It is just like you are broadcasting your wish towards in front of the universe. Fine. So if you want these candles, just give me a message on, just leave a message on my WhatsApp and I'll get connected to you. Fine. For now, I would like to take a leave, and just subscribe my channel, like my channel, share and comment. I would really love it if you will comment it. And I'm looking forward for you people to get connected to me on YouTube live every Wednesday at 10 p.m. Indian time. Okay. So thank you so much. Take care. God bless you.